How to get Sephora free samples. Locate your nearest Sephora store. Chances are there is a Sephora not too far from you. It may be located inside a mall, a JC Penney, or in your city's downtown area. You can use the Sephora website's shop locator to find one. Visit the store as a potential customer. Try to visit the store at a time when they won't be busy. If you are available to visit in the middle of a weekday, that's best. Most people will be at work and the store probably won't be busy. Asking for free samples when salespeople are very busy can sometimes seem bothersome or rude. When salespeople have downtime, they are much more likely to be happy to make you plenty of samples. Ask for samples. You can ask for samples of any of the products that you see. Generally, Sephora salespeople are instructed to offer 3 free samples per customers. You can always try asking for more, but you may not get them. If the salesperson see that you are actually planning to buy something, they are more likely to offer more than 3 samples. Some Sephora cast members are assigned to certain worlds such as perfumes or eyeshadows. It's usually best to ask for the sample from the person working in that world rather than the cashier. Thank the cast member. Always express gratitude for the free samples. If you are friendly and appreciative, you are more likely to be offered more samples in the future. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.